Hi guys, this is Nicolae from Karali's Labs. Today I'll show you how we can do audio extraction, speech to text, save the text to TextFind channel, and then look up in that text semantically or metadata based. And maybe pose some questions and getting some answers from the system. So let me share my screen. Here there is a post on Twitter. I just chose it randomly. What we want to do now is to start the capturing of the audio. Let's start the audio.
I'm here with Minister Wilkinson to discuss some of the completely irresponsible and reckless dilatory tactics that Mr. Poilievre and his party have put with regards to the Natural Resources Committee and C50, and I'm going to let Minister Wilkinson talk about this.
So I would say I think Canadians, irrespective of partisan affiliation, have respect for our institutions of government, including Parliament. And what we are seeing from Mr. Poilievre is an abuse of our parliamentary institutions and an abuse of the democratic process. He has put forward over 20,000 amendments to an 11-page bill. That is not. The role of the leader of the opposition is to be the loyal, His Majesty's loyal opposition, which means constructive opposition. It means having debates, having discussions, proposing amendments in good faith, but allowing the democratic system to function. Mr. Poilievre is not the Prime Minister of Canada. He is the leader of the opposition. And I think all Canadians, whether they're Conservatives, Liberals, New Democrats, Green Party members, actually think that our politicians should behave in a constructive way. Mr. Poilievre is behaving in an irresponsible way. He is abusing Parliament. He is abusing taxpayers and taxpayer money. And it is time for this ridiculous behavior to stop.
So we ended the capture. Now we want to extract the text. This is like an audio file. This one that was created, and we want to extract the text from it. So what we do, we have an endpoint on TextFind where we send the audio file, and then we get back the text from the audio. Here we go. Of course, I missed a little bit at the beginning something, but doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the text. Now we want to save this text and everything else related to this channel, to this post. So we have on TextFind, let's maximize our window here. We go here, we add manually. We have our Twitter channel. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how we create a channel with the properties and everything. I'm not going to go through this right now. So we have politics is the main topic of that post, the link. And then we try to extract the metadata, different fields that we are interested in from this post here. It's a Twitter, okay, it's a Twitter channel. So we don't want to add manually. So we just take the DOM out of it and then paste it here. And here we go. So we have the text. We have it here now. We also want to add this text that we the one that we extracted from the audio signal. And here we go. It seems like a little bit here. It's you see the extraction wasn't perfect. That's why we can review it a little bit. I'm assuming this is what I missed. So short review will tell us it's not perfect, but we leave it like this. If you want, you can take a snapshot and you can, or multiple snapshots, PDF files, unlimited number of files. You can attach them to this post that is going to be sent to TextFind. So we won't do it right now. You can share with the public if you want, family, or you can create groups. I'm not going to delve into details about this. So let's save it. Of course, here we can see the data. See here. This is the text. We got some entities here. You can see some correlations if you want, but the main topic of the day is searching. So what was about? Let's try to do something. Semantic. Just semantic search something equivalent to this phrase. English is not my first language, so it's really hard to find now something that's semantically equivalent to this phrase here. So I'm going to leave it like that. Use this. Just blame. Yeah. Blame seems like something cool. And we are going to use this kind of blaming. Yes, we got some things. Those are pretty accurate. We can go here and then we can ask some questions. Who is blaming of abusing people? And here we got the context that was created and used for this question. Everything here is extracted from the audio text. So we were able to, basically you can have any video, you extract the audio from it and you can save it on TextFind, and then you can semantically search. You can post questions and you can do other things as well. Here, if you are interested in, let's say, we go to politics, we want to see on the Twitter channel, we have all this. Oh, it seems like, you see here, Yes, it seems like the I have a script here that does the extraction from the document object model of different of those fields. The problem is sometimes if something changes on Twitter or other channel that's automated for TextFind to extract all those fields, it's possible to have some slight changes, and then it's not accurate what we extract. So, and this is the channel username. See here, we need to delete this. And then we go back here. And hopefully, when we go to search for the metadata, we're gonna go to politics, Twitter, and yes. Based on metadata means let's say liberal. But if we we don't have that many things about liberals. Canada. Anyways, so this is how we do the extraction from the document object model of the fields that are of interest. Those are the fields. Twitter. You can add others if you want. This is when you create a new channel. I have just a few here for demo. So I hope you liked it, and in the future I want to make another video on how we handle users and groups and roles, because we can give different roles. We are exposing an API, so we define this customer API role. So anyone who has this role can programmatically do what I showed you, like post things, search different things. That's it for now. If you like it, please hit the like button, and see you next time. Cheers.